Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Adobe Scan login problems on your Android device. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, locate the Adobe Scan application on your home screen or app drawer. Press and hold your finger on the app icon until a menu appears. From the options that pop up, tap on App Info. This will take you directly to the app settings page where you can manage all its permissions and data. Once you're in the App Info screen, the first thing you'll want to try is tapping Force Stop. This immediately closes the app and stops all its background processes, which can often resolve temporary glitches that might be causing the login issue. Force stopping essentially gives the app a fresh start when you open it again. If force stopping doesn't solve the problem, move on to the second solution. In the same app info screen, look for and tap on Storage and Cache. This section manages all the temporary files and data the app has stored on your device. These files can sometimes become corrupted and cause login failures. Inside the storage settings, you'll see two options. First, tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files without deleting your personal data or settings. The cache is where the app stores temporary information to load faster, but sometimes this data gets corrupted and prevents you from logging in properly. After clearing the cache, try opening Adobe Scan again to see if the login works. If you're still experiencing issues, go back to the same screen and tap Clear Storage. Keep in mind that clearing storage will remove all app data, including your login information, so you'll need to sign in fresh, but this often completely resolves persistent login problems. Now, if neither of those solutions worked, the last thing to try is updating Adobe Scan to the latest version. Sometimes login issues occur because you're running an outdated version of the app that has known bugs. Open the Play Store on your device and use the search bar at the top to search for Adobe Scan. Once you find the app, check if there is an update button available. If the app isn't already updated, tap Update and wait for the installation to complete. Updated versions often include bug fixes specifically designed to address login and authentication problems. And that's it, you've just resolved the Adobe Scan login issue using one of these three methods. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.